Begin by cleaning the screen with the wet and dry wipes and the microfiber cleaning cloth. Place the installation tray on your phone with the open cut at the top of the phone. Use the dust removal stickers to remove any dust from the screen before proceeding. Remove the mask film from the screen protector and set the screen protector on the phone with the top, with the camera cutout, down first at the top of the phone. Press the screen protector against the installation tray at the top for help getting a perfect alignment, and then gently set the bottom of the screen protector down. Swipe from the top of the phone to the bottom, and the protector will adhere itself the rest of the way. Remove the installation tray and take a moment to rescan your fingerprint into the phone, as the fingerprints scanned into the phone before the screen protector was installed may no longer work. If you have any questions or concerns with this installation, please feel free to contact our support team for help. You can find out how to contact us on the box that the screen protectors came in. Thank you so much for choosing amFilm, and we hope that you enjoy your screen protector.